Your job, your housework, your daily routine, all could soon be transformed by the rise of AI-powered humanoid robots. But here's where it gets controversial. Are these machines the future of convenience or the beginning of a job-stealing revolution? A California-based startup, Figure AI, has been making waves with its strikingly human-like robots, dressed in sleek black and gray, performing everyday tasks like folding laundry and organizing groceries. These aren't just gimmicks, they're glimpses into a future where robots could seamlessly integrate into our lives. And investors are taking notice. Figure AI recently secured over $1 billion in funding, valuing the company at a staggering $39 billion, more than industry giants like Delta Airlines and Adidas. This surge in investment reflects a growing belief that humanoid robots will soon become as commonplace as smartphones. But Figure AI isn't alone in this race. Companies like Agility Robotics, Apptronic, Boston Dynamics, and even Elon Musk's Tesla are pouring resources into their own humanoid projects. And this is the part most people miss. These companies are pushing for a unified national robotics strategy, aiming to rival China's rapid advancements in the field. China's recent achievements, like a humanoid robot completing a half marathon and hosting the World Humanoid Robot Games, have set the global stage ablaze. Yet, only 6 out of 21 robots finished the race, highlighting the challenges still ahead. Luis Sentis, a professor at the University of Texas Austin and co-founder of figure rival Apptronic, sums it up. This isn't just a one-company effort. The entire humanoid industry is buzzing with excitement. A Goldman Sachs report predicts the global humanoid market could hit $38 billion in just a decade, sparking speculation about whether this industry is on the brink of its own ChatGPT moment. Figure AI's vision is bold. Replace humans in dangerous or undesirable jobs while making a positive impact on society. Initially, these robots will likely tackle labor shortages in manufacturing, logistics, and retail. But the technical hurdles are significant. Unlike virtual AI systems like ChatGPT, which rely on text data, humanoid robots need to process complex, imperfect sensory data from the physical world. Add to that the challenges of creating portable batteries and replicating human dexterity, and it's clear this isn't an overnight endeavor. Here's the kicker. Despite the hype, researchers have shown that AI-powered robots can be hacked or manipulated to perform dangerous tasks, bypassing built-in safeguards. Yet Sentis remains optimistic, calling 2025 the year of the hand and predicting rapid breakthroughs in robotic dexterity. So what do you think? Are humanoid robots the next big leap for humanity or a risky gamble? Let us know in the comments. This conversation is just getting started.